We're finding heaps of shit in the road, and this one's a microwave. Please, Bo, stand for the microwave, please. Show them the microwave. Thank you very much. Very good. Wait, is there anything in there?
Yeah, there's a plate in there.
Is there? Oh look, there's a glass plate. Ah, one shot. Oh, okay, there we go. Yep.
Stop. A suspicious Magna drove past. Hey, let me get the glass plate. Glass plate.
Glass plate. That is one broken glass plate. Oh.
And moving on.